Good evening. I am Aniket Singh Chauhan, and here are the top stories making headlines today. From a rupees 50 hike in cooking gas prices to a major stock market crash, a new excise duty on fuel, and Saudi Arabia's visa ban ahead of Hajj. Here's everything you need to know before the day ends. Let's get started. Excise duty on petrol, diesel hiked by rupees 2 per litre. The government has hiked excise duty on petrol and diesel by rupees 2 per litre each, raising the excise on petrol to rupees 13 and diesel to rupees 10 per litre. But don't expect pump prices to rise. Officials say that the hike will be absorbed by falling international oil prices. Global crude has plunged to its lowest levels since April 2021, amid US-China trade tensions and growing fears of a global recession. Cooking gas to become expensive by rupees 50 per cylinder. The price of LPG cylinders has been increased by rupees 50 across the board. Union Petroleum Minister Hardeep Singh Puri announced that the new rates will take effect from April 8th. For PM Ujjwala Yojana beneficiaries, the price will rise from rupees 500 to rupees 550, while non-subsidized users will now pay rupees 853 per cylinder. Puri clarified that the move helps offset rupees 43,000 crores in losses incurred by oil companies due to subsidies and is subject to review every 2 to 3 weeks. Apple and Samsung eye India as key manufacturing base amid Trump's tariff storm. Following former US President Donald Trump's first import tariffs, 54% on Chinese goods, 46% on Vietnamese, and 26% on Indian exports, tech giants Apple and Samsung are reportedly expanding their manufacturing footprint in India. Apple, already producing iPhones in India, is expected to scale up operations here to cater to the US market, reducing its reliance on China. Sources say that this could trigger a significant boost in India's electronics manufacturing sector. Indian stock market crashes. Sensex falls nearly 4,000 points. It was a brutal day on Dalal Street. The Sensex crashed by 3,939.68 points or 5.22% to 71,425.01, while the Nifty sank 1,160.8 points or 5.06% to close at 21,743.65. This market meltdown wiped out over 20 lakh crore in investor wealth. The fall mirrors a global sell-off with Hong Kong, Tokyo, Shanghai and Seoul also registering steep declines. Last week too, Indian indices had posted a significant loss, raising concerns about prolonged volatility. IUML challenges Waqf Amendment Act in the Supreme Court. The Indian Union Muslim League has filed a writ petition in the Supreme Court challenging the Waqf Amendment Act 2025. The party alleges the law violates Articles 14, 15, 25 and 26 of the Constitution, calling it an attack on religious autonomy. The petition claims the law imposes arbitrary restrictions and increases state control over Islamic religious endowments, compromising their traditional governance. Saudi Arabia suspends visas for 14 countries, including India and Pakistan. In a move to prevent unauthorized participation in the upcoming Hajj, Saudi Arabia has temporarily halted Umrah, business and family visit visas for 14 countries, including India, Pakistan, Egypt and Bangladesh, until mid-June. Authorities said many pilgrims have been entering on alternate visas and overstaying illegally to join Hajj. Applications for Umrah visas will now close on April 13 and Good evening. I am